and thank you for your purchase. Once you've made your purchase of the Fundabot, you'll be taken through to the thank you page, and this is where you get your EA from, or the trading robot. You see there it says you're almost there. Fill out the form below to receive your Fundabot trading system via email. So you just need to fill out your name and your email there, and just click on the Get Started button. The instructional video button down here is the instructional video that you're watching right now. Okay, so fill out your name and then go to your email address. Now make sure you check your spam folder, and also if you're using Google, you notice you have and you've got the separate things with primary, social and promotions. In this case it came through to my promotions tab, so just make sure you check all of those. It should be instant. Okay, so it should come through instantly, so you shouldn't have to wait for it at all. Now you see here you get the email through, the Fundabot file is attached. And it also has your terms and conditions for the use of the system as well, and it also says there, analysis access. You'll soon be emailed your login details for the website to get the settings for each currency pair every week. If you've not received this email in 24 hours, then please contact support through the website. Okay, we do have to set those up manually, which is why we say give us 24 hours to do it, but it will usually be a lot quicker. It obviously just depends how many people are buying at the time. Okay, so let's download the EA. So the first one that we've got, the BOAX Fundabot MQ4 folder. We click on download. It's going to ask us where we want to save that. Okay, so what we should really do, what we want to do is save it directly to our platform. Okay, now your platform, you can see here it's got computer, local disk C, program files, and you see it's automatically opened up under the MTX Capital MT4 platform, MQL4 folder and expert, so it's recognized it straight away, and I'm going to put it in that folder. Now that might just be because I've been using it. It might open up automatically on your downloads folder, so I'll just show you how to find it. You go to local disk, go to program files, find the MT4 platform that you want to install it on, go to MQL4, go to experts, and you'll see there's a couple of experts there that you get with your MT4 platform, and then just click on save. Okay, and that takes a few seconds there to save, and then it's saved to your platform. Now if you had your platform open, then you'll have to restart it for the EA to show up. So I'm just going to restart my platform now. Let's give it a few seconds here to kick up, and as you can see, because I've been using it already, it's already loaded on the chart there, so I'll just get rid of that. But as you can see, it is already loaded into the BOAFX Fundabot in the Expert Advisors tab. So okay, so now all we have to do to set this up is very, very simple. Is we hold down the left mouse over BOAFX Fundabot and drag it onto any of the chart that you want to trade. It has to be on the chart that you want to trade. Okay, it needs to be the robot needs to be loaded onto each chart that you want to trade. So in this case we've got the CAD yen. Now you see here we've got the long and short positions. We'll be coming back to that in a moment. Make sure that enable alerts is ticked, allow live trading is ticked, allow DLL imports is ticked, and allow modification of signal settings is ticked. Also make sure that your auto trading on your MT4 platform is set to on. Okay, if there's a little red dot there instead of a green dot, a little stop sign, then that means it's not set to on. Try and do that before you load the EA on, otherwise you'll have to restart it again. Okay, now if we go to the inputs here, now these are already set up for you. Okay, you got partial close for lots higher than 0.01 lot size. Activate partial close at X amount of pips, so you can put in the X amount of pips there. Now these are the default settings that we are using at the moment. Okay, if we change any of these settings, we will let you know in the weekly analysis. The only thing that you need to change here is your money management settings. Okay, this is entirely up to you what you use. It's set by default to trade at 0.1 fixed lot size. Okay, now I personally recommend trading using the risk management settings, so I'd set that to true, and I'm going to trade at 1% of my equity. So it will open trades at 1% of my equity with using the stop loss setting of 250 pips and the balance of my account. Okay, that's the only change that you need to make, and then just click OK, and you'll see it will instantly load. Sometimes it may take a few seconds. It depends how fast the currency pair is moving, it recalculates every tick or every slight movement on the chart there. But you can see that it's loaded straight away. You can see you should have the blue box there and the blue box down the bottom. So that is your EA ready to go. Now you'll notice I said we'll come back to this setting here. In the common tabs you've got long and short positions. Now this is what we change according to our analysis. So if we believe that the market is going to be bullish in that week, then we change it to bullish. If we believe that the market is going to be bearish that week, then we change it to short. So long positions only, short positions only. Or if we think the market's going to be consolidated, we will change it to long and short. This will mean that the robot will only open trades in either a long position, a short position, or if we have it set to long and short, it will open trades in both positions. One currency pair will only ever open two trades at once. Okay, either two in the same direction, one in one direction and one in a hedging direction, or the opposite direction, or two in the same direction. Okay, so now that we've got our EA loaded, if you want to know which currency pairs we're trading, we don't trade all the currency pairs all the time. Okay, it depends on what we believe the market is going to do. Now obviously you can trade as many as you like and you can set the settings as you like, but obviously the monthly fee is to give you the best optimized settings and the best possible analysis for that setting. So let's just go over to the website and see where it is that you get those settings from. So let's just minimize that and we'll go to the website, which is www.boafx.co.uk. Okay, you see up here there's a little thing that says members login. We click on the members login button there. My details are already put in there, so I'm just going to submit and go straight in. And there we go. Now you've got all sorts of different settings here for different membership levels. Now the ones that you get with the Fundabot are the weekly analysis, the Sunday night briefing, okay, the learning center you get for free access to as well, which is all about learning how to trade for yourselves. Okay, so we're going to click on the weekly analysis tab. This is really what you want. Okay, you can see here we've got the currency pairs that we're looking at in that week. We've got the Aussie US dollar, the Euro US dollar, the Pound US dollar. We've got the analysis, the fundamental analysis, okay, which is to do with the news and what's happening in the world that's relating this currency pair. And then we've got the technical analysis there as well, looking at price action, etc., etc. Now underneath each currency pair, the ones that we're looking at to trade on the Fundabot will have the Fundabot settings. You can see here, Fundabot, short only, settings default. Okay, so that means you don't need to change anything. Time frame, so it will tell you what time frame you need to have that chart on, and in this case it's the 1 hour. You can see down here you've got the Fundabot short only, default settings, 30-minute chart for the Euro US dollar. Okay, and so on and so on. So you just go down the list of currency pairs and pick the ones out that we're trading in that week and set them up. Now you don't have to. The settings won't necessarily change every week, but we will post them every week anyway, so that you can see if they've changed or not. Sometimes they might not change for 2 or 3 weeks, or even a couple of months. Depends if the market is trending or not. Okay, so that's pretty well much it. If you've got any questions, then please go through to the Contact Us page. You can see there on the website, and drop us an email in the first instance. And if we have screen sharing facilities and stuff like that we can talk you through any problems you might be having. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have some great fun with the Fundabot.